chocolate stick. Then one vanilla with toppings. With the toppings, the fruit rod. That's it. Sorry? One waffle with chocolate sticks. Yeah, then the other one is vanilla with the toppings.
So ganyan lang po magbayad dito. Ilalagay yung pera dyan.
Barya.
Tapos kunin mo yung barya.
Thank you.
Wow. So dito na naman tayo. Ayan o.
Ganun lang po magbayad.
Ticket bigay mo na. Ayun o. So ito yung mga waffles. Wow, look at that. It's a kingdom. The kingdom of waffles. Ayan yung paligid namin. Daming tao. Yes. Ayan. Woo. That one, ayan o, may chocolate sa ilalim. Comes with chocolate. Wow, look at that. Mainit na mainit pa. Still so hot. I can't wait. Yan yung sa'yo, love. Wow, look at that. Sarap.
Yung sa akin is vanilla na may fruit rudge sa toppings.
Okay.
Sa kanya naman is vanilla.
With chocolate.
Chocolate waffles.
Alright, let's
Na may chocolate stick.
eat. Ayan, kakain na kami. Cheers. Tikman mo. Yum yum. Tikman mo rin to. Agad.
Yeah.
Dandan, this pinakagilid. Yan.
Natuyo yung chocolate na.
Oh, yes. Patikim dyan, patikim dyan. Ikaw naman, oh.
Ano?
Ako naman titikim. Yum yum. Tikman ko rin, oh.
Sarap. So yan ang aming food. Maglalakad muna kami. May try pa kami mamaya. Yung french fries. This is gonna be the last tour
Alright.
dito sa Belgium. So lilipat na kami bukas ng Luxembourg. Kaya try na namin lahat ng foods.
Alright, that's it for now. Waffles in Belgium. Bye.